Hey everyone at Reliable Roofing. My name is Charles Marini and I work for a company here in Philadelphia called Your Local SEO Professionals. I wanted to shoot you a quick customized video analyzing your website and comparing it with your competitors. Now, why am I doing this? Let's face it, a lot of SEO companies are after your money every day as a business owner because no matter what industry you're in, about 92% of consumers visit local businesses' websites when deciding on which business to use. This is an article from earlier this year from Bright Local. And I know every business wants more customers. A lot of the time, they just don't know which internet expert to trust and whether it's affordable or not. So I wanted to prove myself by just showing you a couple of things that you can do, actually, that you can do today for free to bring in more customers to your business. So I don't want to waste any more of your time or mine. Let's get started. I want to talk about three things today: content, citation, and backlinks. Content, citations, and backlinks. So the first thing, looking here at your homepage, one thing I can tell is that you need more content. Content is everything that I have selected here in blue. That means all the text, the pictures, the text behind the pictures, what pictures are saved as. For example, this has been saved with a keyword. This is good. I can tell whoever set up your website did try and optimize it. However, I just want to say I think that you need to add more content. The reason is Google likes to see between 1,000 and 1,500 words of keyword-rich content to be properly optimized. And what that means is that it's just saturating your home with keywords that people use as they're searching. For example, when I searched for roofer in Philadelphia, I found you guys on page 2 of the results, kind of towards the bottom of here. That's what a keyword is, and it's important to saturate your homepage with enough good keywords that people would use so that Google can tell you are authoritative and you should be put in front of this consumer who's looking for roofers in Philadelphia. Now, when I did search for roofer in Philadelphia, the first result I find, let me go back to page 1, is first of all, in this area here called a map pack, it's Universal Roofing and Contracting, and here Philly's Finest Roofing. So I'm going to use them as an example. Looking at their website, the front page, you can see that they have a lot more text, and you can tell they have, for example, Philadelphia roof repair. That's a keyword. So they've saturated their text with keywords. Philadelphia's best roofing company, trusted roofer in Philadelphia. And one more thing, I put both your sites into a free tool to see the number of words, and your count is about 668 words. They have a lot more. They're more optimized for Google. So in order for Google to see you just as strong or even stronger than your competitors and rank you higher, with content, I would increase the number of content and make sure it's saturated with keywords. The second thing I want to talk about is what are known as citations, and that has to do with this area here, the map pack. So when you search for a keyword in Google, especially a local keyword with an area, first you're presented with ads, and then this area here that's called a map pack with a map and at least 3 businesses, and then your organic results. So how do people rank up here? Well, it has all to do with citations. Citations are wherever your business name, address, and phone number are cited across the internet in different directories. So as a directory, you can think of LinkedIn, Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Yext, Super Pages, White Pages, etc. In all these directories, the more directories you're cited in, the more influential directories you're cited in, the higher you'll rank here. So it's just a matter of finding out which directories your competitors are cited in, make sure you're cited there, and then probably double or triple the number of citations. So you'll always appear here beating your competition. The third thing I want to talk about are backlinks. Now, backlinks have to do with ranking you here among the organic searches. What backlinks are? Well, if you think of the internet as a whole, bunch of web pages all linked together. A backlink would be a link pointing to your website that's placed on a different person's website, on a different domain. For example, if a forum in California on roofing has a link to your website, that would be a backlink. However, not all backlinks are created equal. For example, if McDonald's is linking to your website, you guys really don't have anything to do with each other in terms of business. So Google will see that as not as strong as a backlink, rather spammy, and would count it lower. I use a popular tool called Ahrefs, which helps me analyze different websites. And here I can tell your backlinks are only 33 backlinks. The strength distribution of those backlinks from 0 to 100 lies mostly between 0 and 20. Your competitor, Philly's Finest Roofing, has 105 backlinks. So it's not hard to beat. We can get more backlinks. However, they have more stronger backlinks, and I believe that's why they rank higher than you in the Google search results. We'll go in to look at the keywords that they rank for in a second. But I just want to let you know, if we get more backlinks that are higher strength, you will definitely be able to blow them out of the water. So let's look at these organic keywords. Now, I had searched for roofer in Philadelphia. Every month, 150 people search for that keyword, just the way I did. And your competitor ranks second in this. That's why they're up top. In fact, they rank first. This was updated 8th of August. It's now 12th of August. So they must have added some more backlinks. And that's why they're ranking first. And they get a traffic of 26 people coming to the website because of that, because of this one keyword. Now, if I was to investigate further and see how that keyword is shared by different domains, you'll see here they are the first. They get a traffic of 26 to 28, first or second position and second position. You guys are all the way down here at you rank 21. And that's why you see no traffic, because of that keyword. Now, if you were to saturate your website with that one keyword and have backlinks using that keyword as an anchor text, you'd be able to outrank Philly's Finest Roofing and grab a big share of this traffic, this 28 people. And I'm sure even at least 3 people coming through your doors would add a lot to your bottom line per month. And remember, that's just one of the keywords. So you can come to all your competitors' keywords and see what they're ranking for. For example, Philadelphia roofers, 40 people per month search for it. They get 12 people coming to their website. If their conversion rate is 50%, then that would mean 6 more clients for them because of that one keyword. Now, there's an exercise I like to do just to show the value of that one keyword. So if they have 6 new people, and I know that the average cost of a roof replacement in Philly is $6,000 to $7,000. This is just an average. I'm not sure what you do as a business. But if it's just 6, let's take the bottom value, 6,000. So for them, 6,000 times 6 new customers is 36,000. So they have a potential of getting a minimum of 36,000 if the conversion rate is 50% because of one keyword right here. So it would be important to look at your competitors' keywords and then outrank them. So if you had an average of, let's say, 6,000 times, say 12 new customers, 72,000, walking in only because you've optimized your website. So those are the 3 things I wanted to talk about: content, citations, and backlinks. You can go ahead and implement this, pass this on to your website person, your SEO person to implement. You can start working on this immediately, or if you'd like to save time and stress, you can get in touch with me at any time. The company name is Your Local SEO Professionals. My name is Charles Marine. My number is up here, 215-770-1621. And my email address is charles@yourlocalseopros.com. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate this, and I hope to talk to you soon.